Hi, Jackie. So, can you briefly introduce yourself?
So I'm Jackie. I am the general manager of Europe for Modus Furniture. I'm originally from the US, but last few years decided to expand to Europe, and hence why I'm here.
That's awesome. You're already using 3D and AR, right?
Currently, yes, in the last few months, we've been working with Mazing to create 3D products and AR applications for our products.
Awesome. And why did you choose Amazing?
It's a good partnership, and you guys were very responsive, and we seemed like we could do a lot of nice things together in the future.
Sounds great. And how was the process for you to get to the 3D AR application?
Me, I wasn't so involved, I guess, at the beginning. My employee Lenny, I think, dealt with you more, just because also for me, this is all new technology, so I'm not so familiar with it. But it seemed from his perspective a smooth process, and you guys, yeah, were back and forth kind of going through the details, but then seemed yeah, everything to work out quite well.
Awesome. And how do you use our solution currently?
Currently, we're using it here at the IMM Cologne fair, and hopefully in the future, we'll be able to use it for our customers who will be able to use it for the end customers to sell our products on online platforms, as well as maybe on their online store or maybe through their virtual tour.
Great. And what do you think? What are the advantages? Why should somebody use AR?
I think it's the future.
That's a good answer.
I think, yeah, I mean, for my generation, probably not, but for the younger generation, I think it's the way, yeah, I think the whole industry will change. I think basically most big companies or stores will maybe have a large showroom in larger cities where people can still touch and feel furniture. But I think the purchasing process will still be online. And I think people, yeah, that's how I think the future will be.
And why do you think, why especially now, should you invest as a furniture company to stand out from the competition or whatever?
Yeah, hopefully we can be one of the first or one of
Yeah.
the leading companies that do this. Just because I know traditionally, yeah, the furniture industry tends to be a bit slower with technology and all of this stuff. And that's why we also pushed the virtual tours during COVID. But I think the industry will change. Yeah, the way consumers buy things will change. And I think we just have to keep ahead of the game.
Right. So, Jackie, where do you see the future of the furniture industry?
Yeah, I think I see the future of the furniture industry, yeah, really digitalized, and that people will mostly shop online. And yes, people will still want to go to the store and feel things, but I think a lot of that initial or after purchasing decisions will be made online.
Right, right. And with augmented reality,
Yeah,
I
with
guess.
augmented reality, with 3D products, and everything basically integrated into kind of the virtual augmented world.
So, Jackie, why did you choose Amazing actually?
Well, with my employee and I, we had tried to do AR and 3D modeling for actually about a year, research and development, trying things out, and we just didn't get anywhere, or the quality, or we tried something else and it just didn't work for us. And then, yeah, we happened to stumble upon you when you came to our booth last year. And when we saw actually the product, actually, my employee thought initially was it's actually probably too good to be true. There must be something wrong or something not quite right. But yeah, we found it that was an easy, quick solution. And also for the price and for the time that we had originally research and development, it seemed like the best solution that we
Thank
found.
you. That's awesome. I appreciate it. We really try to have this 2D to 3D process. Just send us a few pictures and you're ready to go. And today, everybody can use AR already. Simply send us pictures and you're ready to go.